Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Rizky Muhammad Zahra, and I'm excited to talk about important topic. Is the effect of not warming up. In this presentation, I will describe the impact of not warming up before exercise, which can lead to injury. This information will help you better understand the importance of warming up before exercising. I will explain why I am discussing this topic, because I will tell you that warming up is important. Without warming up, muscles are in a stiff and less flexible state. This makes them more susceptible to injury, such as a strain, cramps, or even tears. When muscles are not warming up, they are not ready to face the greater physical strain of exercise. Next, I will talk about three things. First, I will talk about the risk of muscle and joint injuries. Second, I will talk about the lack of flexibility. And third, I will talk about the decline in physical performance. So, for starter dance, let's look at when the body does not warm up. The muscles are stiff and cold. This can cause injuries such as muscle cramps, sprain, or even muscle tears when doing sudden physical activity. According to an article from Prudential, the main benefit of warming up before exercise is avoiding the risk of injury. Warming up increases the temperature of muscle, so they become more flexibility and ready to move. Here are some risks of injury due to not warming up. First, a sprain occurs when the ligaments that connect the bones and at joint are stretched or torn. Without warming up, muscle and ligament are not prepared for the stress, making them more susceptible to injury. And second, a strain is an injury to muscle or tendon that can occur when a muscle is pulled too hard without adequate preparation. And last, third, joint injuries. Joint injuries can cause prolonged pain, and without warming up, the risk of joint pain from muscle strain or other injuries increase. Next, I'm going to tell you about when warming up is neglected. Muscle and connective tissue do not get a chance to stretch and prepare for physical activity. This causes muscle to become stiff, thus decreasing body flexibility, according to Dan and Rahmania 2021. Lack of warming up before physical activity can cause decreased muscle flexibility. This shows that proper warming up is essential to maintaining muscle flexibility. And impact of lack of flexibility. First, stiff muscle. Without warming up, muscle and connective tissue do not get a chance to stretch. This causes muscle to become stiff, which reduce the body ability to move freely. Second, increased risk of injury. With reduced flexibility comes increased risk of injury. Inflexible muscle and joints cannot absorb pressure and load properly, making them more susceptible to sprain or other injury. And last, third, decreased quality of exercise. Without warming up, sport performance can be negatively affected. Unprepared muscle will be less responsive, resulting in decreased strength, endurance, and speed during exercise. I have finished explain the lack of flexibility. I will describe the decline in physical performance. Without warming up, muscles do not receive adequate blood flow, resulting in lack of oxygen and nutrition need for optimal performance. This can lead to decreased endurance and strength during exercise, according to research from IFWD Insurance. Over 30% of injury in sport medicine clinic are musculoskeletal injuries that can be treated with warming up. And impact of decreased physical performance. First, reduce strength and speed. Muscle that are not properly warmed up tend to be less responsive, so strength and speed during exercise decrease. Next, second, fatigue faster. Muscles that are not well prepared will quickly tire during physical activity. This can lead to decreased endurance and make individuals feel helpless, thus reducing motivation to continue exercising. And last, increased risk of injury. When muscle and joint are not warmed up, they become more susceptible to injuries such as strain or sprain. Thus, injuries not only affect performance in the moment but can also result in long recovery times, disrupting your overall workout routine. And before finish, I have conclusion. I talk about 3 points. First, I told you about the wrist muscle and joint injuries. Second, I told you about the lack of flexibility. And third, I told you about the decline in physical performance. Please remember, of the three that have been explained, all have a bad impact on the body if you do not warm up before starting exercise, such as injury to the body, decreased endurance during exercise, and are not good for the body. And next, thank you for attention. I hope this presentation is useful for all of you. Thank you.